Okay, we are going to see the old Nipa hut climbing. We're climbing, climbing, climbing. Here it is. Old Nipa hut my brother built. You see that, Ed? This is your future home. Nice here. It's cool, cool breeze. And down there is the creek. It's dense. And there's lots of coconut tree. Lots and lots of them. There's a big mango tree. And our farm, it goes all the way up there. Beyond that. Oh. Oh. My God. Okay. This is beyond repairable. It's gone. And here's my brother calamansi tree. Here's a tiny banana. More rice fields. And this is the rice that it got damaged when Hurricane Yolanda came through here. But I guess my brother managed to salvage a little bit of it. And there's more. I think I saw my cousin over there up there. My brother is gonna harvest one of this banana tree. Here it is.